morning students, welcome to the class. Today's topic is major crops. So different types of crops are grown in the world for the needs of growing population. Yes, in that rice, wheat, maize and millets are called food crops. Jute, cotton are called fiber crops and tea and coffee are called as beverage crops. Yes, let us discuss detailedly about each crop. So the first one is rice. Rice is the major food crop of the world and it is the staple food for the tropical and subtropical regions people. Yes, rice needs good sunshine and good rainfall to grow well. And it develops mostly in the alluvial clay soil which will retain the water in it. Yes, and the rice grows mostly in the tropical regions. The leading producers of the rice are China, followed by India, Japan, Sri Lanka and Egypt. Yes, and in favorable conditions in our India, in West Bengal and Bangladesh, yearly 2 or 3 crops can come from the same field. Yes, the favorable climatic conditions are very important to grow the rice in any country. It needs lot of water and good sunshine. Right, the next crop is wheat. Wheat also very important food crop in the world. Wheat requires moderate temperature and moderate rainfall but heavy sunshine at the time of harvest. Yes, and wheat grows in the soil of well-drained loamy soils. And in India, it grows in especially winter season. Yes, and the leading producers of the wheat are USA, Canada, Russia, Ukraine, Australia and India. The next one is millets. So millets are also called as hardy crop. So the very less fertile soils and the sandy soils also can grow these millets. Yes, these millets required very low rainfall to moderate rainfall. In our India, Zobar, Bajra, Ragi grown. And in other countries which are grown these millets are China, Nigeria and Niger. Yes, in any type of soil, especially less fertile soil also, millets can grow. And the next one is maize. Maize required a huge sunshine and moderate temperature and rainfall. Yes, but the soil would be most fertile soil. Well-drained fertile soil would be needed to grow the maize. And most of the countries are interested and the climatic conditions are favorable to grow the maize along with India. North America, Brazil, China, Russia, Mexico are the countries along with India who grows this maize. And the next one is cotton. Yes, cotton is a fiber crop. Cotton crops requires high temperature, rainfall, light and 210 frost-free days. Means winter-less days. Yes, all these climatic conditions are very much necessary to grow the cotton crops. And along with these, black soil is very much good for the growing of cotton plantation. And this cotton farming supply the raw material to the textile industry also. And the countries which are growing this cotton at present are USA, Brazil, Egypt. The next one is jute was also known as golden fiber. Yes, jute will grow in the places of tropical regions. It needs heavy rainfall, high temperatures, humid areas. So all these conditions are favorable in tropical regions. That's why jute will grow undoubtedly in the places of tropical regions. And India and Bangladesh are the leading producers of jute. And jute needs much fertile soil also. The next one is coffee. Yes, coffee is a beverage crop. It needs wet and warm climatic conditions. And hill slopes are very best places to grow the coffee. And the soil was a well-drained fertile soil the coffee plantation needs. So mostly hill slopes are the favorable places to grow the coffee. So along with India, Brazil and Colombia are also good producers of coffee in the world. The next one is tea, another beverage crop. Yes, tea plantation over the world is very important plantation nowadays. So let us look at the tea plantation. The conditions to grow the tea plantation would be the soil will be well drained loamy soil and the climatic conditions were cool and evenly distributed high rainfall throughout the year. So these are the favorable conditions to grow the tea plantation. Large number of the laborers required to pick the tender leaves of the tea. Many of the countries are leading producers of this tea plantation. Those are Kenya, India, China and Sri Lanka. Thank you.